Today we are going to see the world-famous car company Lamborghini's factory. We see how the Urus SUV is made. Go straight to the factory. Ferruccio Lamborghini was the owner of a tractor company in the 1960s. When his Ferrari cars broke down, he went to complain to Enzo Ferrari, the founder of Ferrari. But Enzo Ferrari sent him back, mocking what a tractor company owner knew about cars. Ferruccio went back promising that he would make the best cars and show them. From there, the Lamborghini, a world-class style car company that rivals even Ferrari, began. Ferruccio also adopted the zodiac symbol Taurus, or the bull of strength, as its logo. Let's see how the Urus SUV is manufactured at Lamborghini's factory in Italy. All their cars are manufactured in 2 factories in the small Italian town of Sant'Agata. It starts with a long drawn-out design process. The new design is inspired by nature and their own old cars. There are also systems that they test through a reality created by 3D models according to this design. The body frame of this car is made of very lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber. Once this frame arrives at the assembly station, rubber sills are attached to all the sections where the glasses are placed attached. After that, with the help of a crane, the preset front panels are attached. The electric wires coming to it are also connected. After that comes the glasses. Rubber seals will be affixed to the glasses with the help of automatic machines. It adds subtlety to the cars, with the Lamborghini name on the back. After adding this much, it will be taken to the next station. Next comes the part called the power tray, including the Lamborghini's engine. A V8 engine with 640 horsepower is used inside this car. Instead of adding each part separately to the car, all of them are assembled together into one power tray and added at once. A pre-built car frame is placed on top of it. With the help of workers, the screws are tightened and they are easily joined together. So the car with the engine to the next station. Here the front part of the car up to the bumper is added. Next is the tires. Automatic machines pick up the tires and add them to the cars. At the same time, the furnishing inside the car will be done at Anethor station. Around 200 varieties of leather are used inside. The company also offers a chance for a prospective Lamborghini buyer to visit the factory and choose the interior tire rings of the car according to their preferences. Every car manufactured here must have been booked before production. A person who books this car Urus today will get it in after 2 years. After all the interior furnishing is done, the doors and bonnet are fitted. Testing is now being done before the release. First of all, there will be a visual inspection. Computers are also used for this purpose in addition to human inspection. With the help of these, it can be found that each small parts of the car is assembled at the exact place. Then get inside and use the light to check that everything is properly aligned. It is a very time-consuming process. Now the final finishing touches are done. A protective film coating is applied over this to add shine to prevent the paint from deteriorating. Now take it outside and drive the car through various conditions to ensure its functionality. After that, the test drive comes last. It is a tradition that every car produced in Lamborghini's factory must be driven through the town of Saint Agata. The Urus thus constructed go to the owner who has been waiting for days. How was the manufacturing process of Lamborghini's Urus like? Let us know your thoughts by commenting below, and also let us know what manufacturing works you would like to see. Definitely doable. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.